All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Ryan.
And it's time for
Spicy.
That's right, Spicy Noodle Mukbang. We've got this is the Samyang Foods Heck Buldak Bokkeummyun 2X Spicy Fire Noodle. This is the one that y'all know as the Nuclear Fire Noodle Challenge, and now it's even hotter. Instead of 8,706 Scoville heat units, it's 10,000. If you want to watch me cook it, here you go. There it is. It's ready to be eaten by yours truly. I better do my regular. It's spicy. What I usually do is I'll have a drink of something so I don't get hiccups. Will you do the honors, Miles? Ready, set,
down.
Oh, yeah, that's a quick heat. It's still good, and it's still red. Whew. I will say though, after Carolina Reaper, it's just not the same. Some of you asked, what do I do to prepare for this? Well, first off, it's 565 calories, and I'm on a diet. Not a lot. Eating a whole bunch of different things to put in my gut was definitely not on the table. But I take heartburn medications, and that's about it. As I mentioned, I've been on a diet, and right now the thing that's getting me is not the heat as much as the amount. Done with the noodles. All right. Nope. Done. Am I done? How'd I do? Done. Done? All done?
I'm done.
All right. Wow. I guess I've got a tolerance now. Whew. That's spicy. Yeah. Yeah, I said when I was cooking this I wasn't gonna like act out like people do on YouTube, but man, this one is what do you think? Do you want to eat a pack of it now? Your turn. No. This has been Hans, and this has been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.